The thing about crypto, at least in my view, is it really is a way of providing incentives for certain things. And incentives can be global, of course, because the tokens or monetary value can flow really frictionlessly all the way around the world. That's very hard to do just through the kind of banking system because, of course, everything would be like KYC and stopped and blocked, and some transaction wouldn't go through for some reason that you don't know. So if you want to have monetary flows around the world, you really need crypto. And then the question is, why do you need monetary flows going seamlessly around the world for AI? And the answer is essentially you do if you want it not to be captured and really controlled by some centralized incumbents. Because you've got to create things, you've got to stay on the state of the art. And this is really a big sort of coordinated research effort. So I do like to think of it a bit like Linux. Obviously, like Linux and these big open source projects are kind of global things. Traditionally, at least the most successful open source projects like Linux didn't really need monetary flows to keep them going. They needed incentives, as everything does, but the incentives were monetary, things like getting kudos for adding patches or getting to lead the direction of development. But the things about AI is it does need monetary flows. There's a category of sort of project whereby if you wanted to do it openly, you need money because in the case of AI, it's that you need to run machines and they don't run on kudos or some sort of value of having a better product or leading development. They run on US dollars only or whatever the currency is in the country where they run. So you really use basically a version of open source, but with monetary flows going back to reward people who obviously make particularly valuable contributions, at least roughly in proportion to the value of that contribution. And that's where crypto comes in. So it's basically enables a new category of open source project. This is one of the things that it does. And this is what it does in TIG, specifically those that require monetary flows in order to be viable.